ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो गुरु साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः. गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो गुरु साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः. तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः. गुरवे नमः. गुरवे
Dear children, today we are going to celebrate Guru Purnima. On this day, students pay respect to their teachers for sharing their lessons and knowledge. It is celebrated on the full moon day in the Hindu month of Ashad. In today's world, teachers play a very important role in a student's life. Apart from imparting knowledge, education, teachers also play a very important role in developing the all-round development of the students by imparting valued education. Please note, students, that on this day you have to give due respect to your parents, seek their blessings, because it is the parents who are your first Guru. Guru Purnima, the word Ma comes in this word, and Ma stands for your mother. Have you seen God? No. Who has brought you in this world? It is your mother. So she is your first Guru in this world. Thank you.
आषाढ शुद्ध पौर्णिमेला गुरु पौर्णिमा असे गौरवले जाते. ज्या गुरूंनी आपले व्यक्तिमत्व घडवले त्या गुरुप्रती आदर व्यक्त करण्याचा, त्यांना नतमस्तक होण्याचा दिवस म्हणजे गुरु पौर्णिमा. ह्या पौर्णिमेला व्यास पौर्णिमा असेही संबोधले जाते, कारण आदी गुरु व्यासांचा जन्म ह्या पौर्णिमेला झाला होता. ज्ञानेश्वरांनी सुद्धा ज्ञानेश्वरी लिहिताना व्यासांचा मागोवा घेतू असे व्यास ऋषींबद्दल गौरव उद्गार काढले आहेत. कुंभार ज्याप्रमाणे मातीच्या गोळ्याला आकार देऊन त्यापासून सुंदर मडके घडवतो, त्याचप्रमाणे गुरु सजीव मानवरूपी व्यक्तिमत्वाला आपल्या संस्काराने आदर्श घडवतो. गुरूंचे ज्ञान सागराप्रमाणे अथांग आहे, तसेच गगनाप्रमाणे विशाल आहे. आपण त्यांच्या पुढे नम्र होऊन ज्ञानकण वेचिले पाहिजे, कारण गुरुविणा कोण दाखवेल वाट. आपल्या जीवनात गुरूंचे नाना विविध रूपे आपणास पाहायला मिळतात. मूल गर्भात असल्यापासून आई त्याच्यावर उत्तम संस्कार करते. आई ही आपली पहिली गुरु असते. निसर्गातील प्रत्येक कण आपला गुरु असतो, कारण त्यांच्याकडून खूप चांगल्या गोष्टी आपल्याला सदैव शिकायला मिळतात. जसे पाणी, झाडे, वेली, पाने, फुले, पशु पक्षी, समुद्र, नदी, त्यांच्याबरोबर पुस्तकं, आपले नातलग, मित्र मैत्रिणी हे सुद्धा आपले गुरुच आहेत, जे आपल्याला जगण्यासाठी चांगले संस्कार देतात. ते आपले गुरुच आहेत. गुरुला वयाचे, जातीचे बंधन नसते. आता काळ बदलला आहे. शिक्षण पद्धतीही बदलली आहे. गुरु आणि शिष्य नाते मात्र बदलले नाही. ते आजही पवित्र मानले जाते. आजपर्यंत जगात ज्या थोर व्यक्ती होऊन गेल्या, त्यांच्याबरोबर त्यांच्या गुरूंचा अमिट प्रभाव होता. आपल्या गुरूंचाही आपल्यावर खूप चांगला प्रभाव असतो. गुरुप्रमाणे शिष्य घडत असतो, म्हणून आपण आपल्या गुरूंचे पालन करायला हवे. त्यांच्या शब्दांचा आदर करायला हवा. चांगला अभ्यास करून गुरूंचा तसेच शाळेचा, आई वडिलांचा, देशाचा नाव लौकिक वाढवायला हवा. सफल जीवन सजता है सपनों से, जो मिलता है किसी गुरु के दस्तक से. जीवन सूर्य सा प्रकाशित हो.
Good afternoon, teachers and my dear friends. My name is Shruti Parab and I am from class 6th. Today, on the occasions of Guru Purnima, I am going to devote a vote of thanks to my Gurus. I will begin with prayer. Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Param Brahma, Tasmai Se Guruve Namaha. Full moon day during Ashad month is known as Guru Purnima day. Traditionally, this day is reserved for Guru Puja or Guru worship. On this day, disciples offer puja or pay respect to their gurus. Guru refers to spiritual guide who enlighten disciples by his knowledge and teachings. Guru Purnima is also known as Vyas Purnima and this day commemorated as birth anniversary of Vyas. Vyas was the author as well as a character in Hindu epic. Thank you.
Good afternoon, teacher and my dear friends. My name is Shwaspur from 6th A. I am singing a song. Omkara Swarupa, Omkara Swarupa, Omkara Swarupa. Tuja namo, Tuja namo, Tuja namo. ओमकार स्वरूपा सद्गुरु समर्था, ओमकार स्वरूपा सद्गुरु समर्था. अनाथांच्या नाथा तुझा नमो, तुझा नमो, तुझा नमो, तुझा नमो, तुझा नमो. ओमकार स्वरूपा सद्गुरु समर्था, ओमकार स्वरूपा सद्गुरु समर्था. अनाथांच्या
राहुल क्षत्रिय फ्रॉम 7th A. ज्या ज्या ठिकाणी मन जाय माझे, त्या त्या ठिकाणी निज रूप तुझे. मी ठेवितो मस्तक जे, ज्या ठिकाणी तेथे तुझे सद्गुरु पाय. गुरुर ब्रह्मा गुरुर विष्णू गुरुर देवो महेश्वरा, गुरुर साक्षात परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः. Guru Purnima is an occasion celebrated as per the Hindu calendar of Ashad month on the full moon day. As per the Gregorian calendar, it falls in the month of July or August every year. The celebration is done with respect to the Rishi Ved Vyas, the author of Mahabharata epic. It is believed that on this day, Sapta Rishi knowledge of yoga. We celebrate this day with events that pay tributes to the spiritual masters and academic gurus. During this pandemic times, our gurus have continued giving us knowledge. They are trying their best to adjust with the technology and give the best of best. We all are thankful to all our teachers. It is because of their efforts we are capable to survive in the terms of education. Many problems arise in the life, but unknowingly they are solved. They are solved by the Guru's blessings. During this pandemic times also our Gurus have put all their efforts, hours of practice, thinking, research to make things easier for us. Our Gurus work hard day and night to solve the particular student's problem. Each of their small efforts have enabled to live a successful life. Since from ancient time, the Gurukul system to the modern system of learning, teachers have worked their best in terms of not only education but also art, literature and sports. We bow and are thankful to all our teachers. Thank you.
Teachers and all my dear friends, today I am presenting Guru Purnima speech. Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Deva Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Parabrahma, तस्मै श्री गुरुदेव महेश्वराय. Guru Purnima. Guru Purnima is an extended spread festival celebrated by Buddhists and Jains. The occasion is celebrated in Indian subcontinent for the Asian time. It is celebrated on the full moon of Ashad month. It is contracted in holy memory of Guru Vyas. Many temples observe and offer Vyas Puja on Guru Purnima. Thank you.
Very good.
Respected teachers and my dear friends, my name is Nihal Rajesh Kutarkar. I am in Standard 7, Division C. Today I am telling about Guru Purnima. Today is Guru Purnima. Every year Guru Purnima is celebrated on the full moon day in Ashad month, which is in July. It is celebrated all over India. The word Guru means removing the darkness, which is dedicated towards our Guru, means teacher. Parents are our first Guru in our life, and then after teachers are our Guru. They teach and guide us everything in our life. So Guru Purnima is the day to express gratitude towards our teachers. Thank you.
Good evening, teachers and my dear friends. Today I am going to speak a short poem on Guru Purnima. I thank you for everything. You are my omniscient as Lord. You are the torch bearer. Your lessons are eternal. You gave me courage to stand. You gave me voice to speak. You gave me insight to understand. You gave me inspiration to do. You are my guru, teacher, mentor, and healer. You showed me the way of enlightenment. I bow down before you and I pray for your blessings. Happy Guru Purnima.
Respected teachers and my dear friend, my name is Kimya Gunaji Kedai. Today I am going to speak about Guru Purnima. Guru Purnima is the famous Hindus, Jains and Buddhist festival. It is celebrated on full moon day in Hindu month of Ashad. It is celebrated in July or August month. Guru Purnima is also known as Vyas Purnima. It is celebrated on the birthday of Vyas. Rishi Vyas wrote the 4 Vidyas, 18 Purans and great Mahabharata. It is celebrated as the mark of respect to Gurus. This day is celebrated with great joy in school, college and other education. Many culture and programs are agreed on this day. Thank you. Happy Guru
Hello,
Purnima.
respected teachers and my dear friend. My name is Mugdha Harishandra Karle from 7th grade. Today, I am going to speak few lines on Guru Purnima. Guru Purnima is celebrated on the full moon day of Ashad. In Marathi, full moon day is called Purnima. It is celebrated to express respect to our gurus or teacher. Guru Purnima is also known as Vyas Purnima as it marks the birthday of Ved Vyas Ji. He was a great sage who wrote 18 Purans, Mahabharat and Srimad Bhagavat. Guru Purnima is celebrated with great joy in schools, colleges and other educational organizations. Many cultural and spiritual programs were arranged on this day. The shlok is also written on Guru. Gurur Brahma, Gurur Vishnu, Guru Devo Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Parabrahma, Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha. Thank you.
Dear teachers and all my dear friends, my name is Swara Manoj Panchi. I am in 5th grade. On this occasion, I am going to speak a few lines of Guru Purnima. Guru Purnima is all over the India by Hindus and Buddhists. As per Hindu calendar, it is celebrated on the full moon of Ashad. It is also known as Vyas Purnima, as it marks the birthday of Ved Vyas. He was author of Mahabharata. India has been considered the land of gurus and spiritual masters and teachers. The term Guru is a combination of two Sanskrit words. Ru means darkness and Ru means a person who eliminates darkness. Guru Purnima is celebrated to honor all the Guru. Guru can be anyone, one who guides us
name is Arya Kadam. Today I will speak few lines on Guru Purnima. Guru Purnima is a festival celebrated by Hindus as well as Jains and Buddhists. The festival of Guru Purnima this year will be celebrated on Friday, July 23, 2021. Guru Purnima is celebrated in the Hindus calendar month of Ashad on the full moon day. It is celebrated as a mark of respect towards our teachers and gurus. The Guru Purnima is celebrated in the month of July or August. Hindus believe that Shiva became the first teacher or Adi Guru by teaching yoga to the
Devi from Standard 7th and Section C. Today I am going to speak some few lines on Guru Purnima. India is basically a land of spiritual masters, teachers and gurus behind a majority of festivals celebrated in India. The prime purpose of spiritual Guru Purnima festival in India is celebrated in June or July to commemorate all the great enlightened masters, guru, teachers who dedicate their lives in self-realization and enlightenment and spreading the light of enlightenment all around with any purpose of personal gain. There are a few historical references associated with this day. For Hindus, the day is special as Rishi Vyas, the author of Mahabharata, was born on this day. Buddhists observe this day as Lord Buddha gave his first sermon on this day. In school, the teacher and great educationalists are thanked. Special gatherings are organized at school, college and universities. Guru Purnima is a wonderful day that reminds everyone the significance of great self-effacing teachers, masters and guru in Oriental culture. Thank you.
Guru Purnima to all. It gives me an immense pleasure to deliver the vote of thanks for the Guru Purnima celebration. First, I would like to thank our beloved principal, Ma'am Shirsagar, our in charge, Ma'am Demelo, and Rekha Bag Ma'am, from whom this idea of celebration came. I would like to thank students and Rajesh sir for their active participation and execution of this celebration. Last but not the least, I would like to thank our audience who make this celebration a grand success. Once again, one and all, thank you so much. Happy Guru Purnima. Gurur Brahma, Gurur Vishnu, Gurur Devo Maheshwara, Gurur Sakshat Parabrahma, Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha. Thank you.